guys, Lanie here. Have you ever wondered about wildlife? Well, now's your chance to find out in my new show, Lanie's Nature Factoids. My mom works at the Lindsay Wildlife Museum. It's a really cool place with wild animals. And she has all of this cool information about nature and animals and all kinds of things. And since I came, she decided that it would make a really cool factoid show. And I am, after all, the nature girl. So this is episode 1, and we hope you enjoy my little nature show. So welcome to episode 1, where we're going to talk about birds. Birds are really cool. All birds have feathers. That's very important. In order to be a bird, you need to have feathers. All birds lay eggs, and the mommies, sometimes the daddies, will come on and sit on the eggs and keep them all nice and warm. Most birds can fly. Did you know that there's a bird that can't fly? That's right. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the penguin. The penguin is a bird, but it's the only bird that can't fly. So that's pretty much it. There is a couple of different groups of birds. You have your raptors, or your meat-eating birds, and your seed-eating birds, and then you have your fruit-eating birds. Mostly around our houses, you'll see birds that eat fruit or seeds. If you live by the hills or in the mountains, you might see some hawks and some vultures and owls and things like that that eat meat. Those are always pretty cool too. Let's go see if we can find some birds in my backyard. If you're quiet and listen real closely, you can hear the sound of the birds chirping. Shh, and just listen. Other than the car with the really loud music going by, did you hear the birds chirping? Let's see if we can see some of those birds right now. There's one now, up in that tree, way up there. Do you see it? The birds in the bush are an English house sparrow. They're very small brown birds that like to stay around houses. They are not native to California, but they're here now. Last clip, you saw a hummingbird. Hummingbirds actually drink nectar out of the flowers with their long noses. Pretty cool, huh? There are lots of birds all over California and all over the country. Lots of birds, from seed eating to nectar eating to meat eating to fruit eating even. So the next time you see a bird in your backyard, observe it, find out what it does, and then research it or Google it, and you can find out lots of information on them. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my little nature factoid show. If you did, please comment, rate, and subscribe down at the bottom of this page. Yep, down there. It looks down there. Go down there. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. If you would like to see more of these episodes, please comment. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.